Hey cousins, get into this look now. Is it giving? It's giving. If you guys want to see how I installed this 10-second install, it's gonna take me a little bit more. I mean, if you want to pop on your wig and go, by all means do that. It could work, especially once you get the lace and everything together. But you know, if you want to see how I installed this glueless curly bomb, y'all see this color? Yes. If you want to see how I installed this, make sure you stay tuned. Like this video right now, and let's get into it.
I'm tryna be with you. Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't playing. All them other chicks be hating. All I want is you, I'm telling the truth. All I want is you, don't be too rude. All I want is you, I need something new, girl. We can take a trip on the west side, if you down to live on my side. All I need is you, if you down to ride. When I look at you, guess I got a type. Yeah, from A to Z, you know I choose you. In the summertime, you my new. I'm just tryna check you out. I'm just tryna see what you about. Let me know what's up, I'm in route. I ain't tryna wild or stress you out. Come swing my way for a little bit. I'm just tryna link, it's been a minute. My crib like about 6-ish. Too deep, I'm diving in it. Know it's been a while and I missed that. I ain't tryna rush through the chit chat. I'm tryna get through to you, so give me feedback. Put in work for you, I hope you see that. Cause I need to know, if I cut off my hose, would you leave me alone? I'm tryna be with you. Girl, you know what I'm saying. Pull up, girl, I ain't.
Oh, I'm gonna be looking down because I do have a few notes I don't want to skip over, which is if my lovely subscribers decide to purchase this unit, again, all of Unice's information will be linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check there if you're interested in making a purchase, or if you just want to browse around their website. Do know that you will receive 48 hours, which is 2 days shipping on your order, and free returns if for some reason you decide that you don't want the unit. This wig is classified as their new 10-second install, and I have 20 inches and it is in the texture Kinky Curly. Now it's definitely giving Kinky Curly. Come in and get into it. This particular unit is on the high maintenance side as far as the texture. Now the application is like glueless, wear and go. However, the upkeep, unless you take your unit off at night, which I suggest you do so to preserve the curls and just preserve the overall wig. However, if you like me and sometimes you sleep in your wigs, just know that you're going to have to do a curly hair routine pretty much every day, unless you want the hair to be on the bigger side or like on the kinkier texture side, if that makes sense. I feel like this texture is why I be saying definitely so much, Lord? This texture is giving fast fashion. So keep that in mind. It's an affordable wig. The hair has been dyed. The longevity of this unit is going to be on the lower side, in my humble opinion, from touching so many different curly textures in bundle hair wigs or whatever have you. I know when something is of quality on the higher end side or on the lower end side. So you guys be the judge of that when making your purchase. I love this texture with this color in this length. Let me give you guys a little 360 so you can see how long this 20 inches falls on me. I would say it's about 150% density. It's not doing too much. It's doing just enough. And y'all know I love me some big hair. But to someone else, it could be given, you know, super full. But it's, to me, it's full, but it's not the fullest. So it's not, it's basically giving 150%, like in the middle. A nice, manageable density. I like the length, like I said, along with the color and the texture. It definitely is giving you all the 20 inches, even though it may not look like it stretched. If you decided to go in and flat iron it, straighten it on out, you definitely will get all of your 20 inches. But this is how she's looking. And I decided to go in and just give it like a bohemian kind of look with this braid on the side. Do you like it? I thought it was really cute and it complements my outfit. As far as tangling, it does tangle. And you will receive shedding when you go in to do your curly hair routine. That's something that's to be expected with any wig or any hair. The hair coming out your head sheds. However, this one sheds a little bit more. And I think that's due to it being dyed. It does not have any foul smell or anything. And like I said, the shipping is like 2-day shipping. So you definitely can't beat that if you're looking for something to cop. If you're getting ready to go on a vacation, your birthday's coming up, anniversary, and you just want to serve a look for any occasion, I definitely suggest this wig. This would be like one of those wigs for me and how I rock my units. This wouldn't be an everyday unit. This would be more of, I'm gonna pop out, okay? I'm gonna get a girls and boys a little something to look at. I'm gonna turn a head or two or a few. It's like, it's giving that, if you get my drift. I usually don't go into the pricing too much when it comes to my reviews on my human hair wigs because they fluctuate. But let's see how much this unit costs in the inches that I have. So if I'm not mistaken, this wig retails for $138.57. That is at this time. This is July 19th, 2023. It's worth that. It's definitely worth that. Especially the length, and you get this beautiful color. Y'all, let me give y'all that tea, okay? Let me give y'all these looks. Another thing I wanted to mention is the cap construction. I don't see anywhere where you can select the size. So it's definitely giving small to medium or like medium. I have like a small to medium head and it fits on me well, but if you are someone who has a larger head, you might tussle a little bit. Okay, and the lace on this wig, the quality of the lace is decent. The color is on the white side, but I worked with it and got it to come through. As you guys seen, I used mousse to mold it down. And that's what we're giving, okay? This is what we're giving the girls today. A little bohemian curly look. I lost my last footage, but that pretty much wrapped up today's video and my review on this unit. If you would like to purchase this wig, I will leave all the links below. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. See you later.